Can artificial intelligence replace SQL experts? While AI has advanced in generating SQL queries, it won't replace human expertise anytime soon. AI struggles with understanding complex business logic and data structures in real-world databases. It can generate queries for simple scenarios, but often misses nuances and edge cases that human experts handle effortlessly. AI-generated queries require human oversight. Experts must review and test these queries to ensure data integrity and accuracy. Without this validation, AI can produce incorrect results or even cause data breaches. AI can be a valuable tool for SQL analysts and developers. It automates repetitive tasks like query generation and debugging, allowing experts to focus on complex strategic tasks. AI also identifies performance bottlenecks and suggests optimizations. To thrive in the AI era, SQL experts should develop contextual understanding, problem-solving skills, adaptability, communication, and continuous learning. These skills will help them navigate the evolving landscape of SQL and data analysis. AI won't replace SQL experts, but will transform their work. Embracing AI and honing key skills will ensure success in this new age.